Okay, Bombini, welcome. Welcome everybody, welcome tourists, welcome young people, welcome people of Curacao. Today we're very proud to launch the Curacao Airport app. Make sure you download it. You'll get a voucher as well of $10, so you can get a discount at any store here at Curacao Airport. We're very proud to launch the Curacao Airport app, and to do it officially, I'm going to ask forward Mr. Ralph Blanchard, CEO of Curacao Airport Partners.
Sunglasses. Oh, so what's an app? What tell me? You know, it's been interesting. I've been around this business for so many years, and the idea when I started of apps were as far away as you can possibly imagine. Now I change my iPhone once every 2 years, and my kids tell me I'm way behind the time. So it's been, it's amazing. But listen, thanks very much for being out here with us today to, again, to enhance the services at Curacao Airport by moving a little bit further into technology and introducing this airport app. The way the world is going, truly, personal information is just a necessity anymore. You know, our passengers, the entire mix of people using the airport, you know, they're becoming much younger, much more tuned to this type of activity. Or maybe it is that I'm just getting a little bit older. But nevertheless, the fact is that this is the way technology is going. This is the way the world is going. And we do want to make sure that everybody out there has access to Curacao, has access to the information about Curacao Airport, knows what's happening here, knows what you can do, and really wants to be a part of it and tell the world about it. So we do encourage you today to really enjoy the afternoon, download the app, have a great time, enjoy the performance that we're going to have here with Skylar, who I would really like to thank for being a part of this today, an up-and-coming young Curacao star that we think you're going to be hearing a lot of as the time goes by. But we are delighted that she's here with us today to help us launch this pretty nice and historic occasion. So with that, I'm going to turn it back over to Diana. Wish you all a great afternoon again. Encourage you to download the app. Tell your friends about Curacao Airport. We are moving forward in every way you can possibly imagine, so let's make technology a good part of it. Thanks very much. Thanks, Diana.
Thank you, Ralph. Now I'm going to ask forward Ralph Blanchard and all the concessionaires of Curacao Airport and the commercial department to come forward, because together we're going to launch the Curacao Airport app. This is the only time that you're going to see me on stage with a phone. This is really special because together we're going to count down to officially launch our app.
All right.
Concessionaires, please come forward. All the airport concessionaires, all the restaurants, the shops, etc. here at the airport. We're very glad to have them on board. And it is a collaboration with the concessionaires that made this Curacao app possible. Together, they're going to press the button. Pending the countdown. Let's count down together, everybody. Hold your apps up if you have them. Ruffles, please. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The app is officially live. And now to help us celebrate, Skylar, Dane, and her band.
About that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, bass. Yeah, it's pretty clear. I ain't no size 2, but I can shake it like I'm supposed to do. 'Cause I got that boom boom that all the boys chase. All the right junk in all the right places. I see the magazines working by Photoshop. You know that stuff ain't real. Come on, I'll make it stop. If you got beauty, then raise it up. bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, I'm bringing booty back. Don't let me tell those skinny petties that. Now I'm just playing, I know y'all think you're fine, but I'm here to tell you every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. And my mama, she told me don't worry about your size. She says boys like a little more booty to hold the night. That booty, oh. You know there won't be no stick figure silicone Barbie doll. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and move along. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, because you know I'm all about that bass, Said 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 I'm all about that bass, I'm all about that bass, Said I'm all about that bass, Said I'm all about that bass, I miss the taste of sweet life. I miss a conversation. I'm searching for a song tonight. I'm changing all the stations. I like to think that we had it all. We drew a map to a better place. But on that road I took a fall. Oh baby, why did you run away? No, I was there for you in your darkest time. I was there for you in your darkest night. But I wonder where were you when I was at my lowest, down on my knees, and said you had my back. So I wonder where were you when all the roads you took came back to me. So I'm following in my palace to you, in my palace to you. Ain't nothing I can do in my palace to you. In my palace to you, ain't nothing I can do in my palace to you. I hear your voice in my sleep at night. Had to resist temptation, 'cause something strange come over me, and now I can't get over you. No, I just can't get over you. I was there for you in your darkest time. I was there for you in your darkest time. But I wonder where were you when I was at my lowest, down on my knees. You said you had my back, so I wonder where were you when all the roads you took came back to me. So I'm following in my palace to you, in my palace to you. Ain't nothing I can do in my palace to you. To you, in my palace to you. Ain't nothing I can do in my palace to you. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 I was there for you, oh, in your darkest time. I was there for you, oh, in your darkest night. I was there for you, oh, in your darkest time. I was there for you, oh, in your darkest night. But I wonder